Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video you will learn how to permanently delete a wallet in the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. So follow along. On the main menu of the X1 Vault, select the wallet which you wish to delete. Select Delete Wallet. This will permanently delete the wallet from the X1 Vault and the X1 cards. You will need all the 4 X1 cards to delete the wallet. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap the 4 X1 cards in sequence below the X1 vault. Your wallet has been deleted successfully. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to delete the wallets in the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Well done!